Connect the wires to terminals R, S, T, and N in sequence. After the power cable is connected, turn on the main power switch inside the electric control box. Use the key to switch to the on position. Press the green button. Tap the screen and click Run to start the motor. The system now enters manual mode. In manual mode, the side buttons can control the movement of the ejector cylinder. The right button lowers it, and the left button raises it. Only when the ejector cylinder is fully retracted can the main cylinder descend. This button raises the main cylinder. Tap here to switch to automatic mode. Press the emergency stop button to halt the machine. Tap Reset. Then press the reset button to start the next casting cycle. To switch to the second mode, the ejector cylinder will automatically retract. Press Start to run. Or disable the ejector cylinder function. You can also switch to foot pedal mode. Tap the parameter setting interface and enter the password, 888. Rename the file if needed and confirm. Adjust parameters according to the product size and mold. Origin position at 30, slow speed position at 160, pressing position at 185. Main cylinder pressure at 30 tons, and lower limit pressure at 20 tons. Set the holding time. Current speed settings are main cylinder fast descent at 65%, slow descent at 40%, pressing speed at 30%, and holding pressure speed at 20%. Set the upper pressure limit to 32 tons and the main cylinder protection position to 300. Once all parameters are set, tap Add File, then Update File. Tap Find File. Select the desired file and update. For example, to load the BA file, tap BA, then Update, and the file will be loaded. Tap More Parameters. These are usually factory set and don't require modification. Set the ejector cylinder speed to 40% and pressure to 20 tons. Set the fast descent pressure to 50, slow descent pressure to 60, buffer speed to 30%, and buffer pressure to 40 tons. Ejector delay is 0.2 seconds. The standby time is 150 minutes, with 2 minutes already elapsed. You can also clear the standby time here. In the Alarm Info screen, specific faults will be shown if the machine encounters any issues. In the I/O monitoring screen, you can check if each component is operating correctly.